Setting up your TV remote without a code.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to set up your TV remote without using a code. It might seem like a tricky process, but don't worry, we've got you covered.
Why would I need to do this?
Sometimes, you might misplace or forget the code that came with your remote, or maybe the code isn't working. In such cases, you need an alternative method to set up your TV remote. Let's delve into how you can do this using the auto search method.
What do I need to prepare?
Before we start, make sure your TV and remote control both have working batteries and are powered on. You also need to ensure that your TV and remote are compatible.
What are the steps to set up my TV remote without using a code?
The specific method might vary slightly depending on the brand and model of your remote, but the general process is as follows. 1. Turn on your TV. Make sure your TV is switched on before starting the process. 2. Point the remote towards the TV. Position your remote towards the TV. It should be in direct line of sight with the TV's infrared sensor. 3. Press and hold the Set or Setup button on your remote. These buttons are often labeled as Set, Setup, P+, and V, or sometimes the button might display an image of a magic wand. 4. Release the button when the remote's LED light turns on. The LED light on your remote is an indication that it's ready to be set up. It usually either turns on or starts blinking. 5. Press the Power or Channel Up button on your remote. Doing this makes your remote start searching for the correct code. 6. Wait for your TV to turn off. As the remote is searching for the correct code, it will send various signals to your TV. Once the right code is found, your TV will turn off. 7. Press any button on the remote to save the code. Once your TV has turned off, immediately press any button on your remote to save the code. Remember, patience is key. This process might take a few minutes as the remote cycles through all the potential codes. And there you have it. Now you know how to set up your TV remote even if you've lost the code. Remember, the exact method may slightly vary depending on your remote's brand and model, so do refer to your user manual if needed. We hope this guide was helpful. Happy viewing!